also known as UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, are changing the way we live and work. In just a few short years, they have gone from being a military technology to becoming a part of our daily lives. From hobby drones for amateur photographers to industrial drones for surveying and inspection, drones have become an indispensable tool in many industries. And as technology continues to advance, the future of drones is looking even brighter. Delivery drones are becoming more widespread, allowing for faster and more efficient delivery of goods. And autonomous drones, equipped with advanced AI, are being used for tasks such as search and rescue operations, wildlife monitoring, and even farming. Drones are not just practical, they are also becoming a popular source of entertainment. Drone racing is a growing sport with professional pilots competing for prize and fans. And entertainment drones equipped with lights and special effects are being used to create spectacular shows and displays. As the use of drones continues to grow, there are also concerns about regulation and safety. Governments around the world are grappling with how to balance the benefits of drones with the need to keep the public safe. So whether you are a hobbyist, a professional, or just keep an eye on the future of drones, the sky is the limit.